really, I was never a collector as such. I was just a kid at the time, just a reader like all the rest of them, and had a whole raft of different books, Batman and Superman, that type of thing, Western books. And some of those, I don't know what happened to them, but I never did find them when we were moving. I came across these other ones that were still there and just hung on to them through about 3 different moves or 4 different moves. And it was just getting to the point where we've got to clean out some of the extra accumulation, you could say, that we've got over the years. So now it's a matter of, I guess, just luck that I had brought these here and hung on to them, because they just about ended up in the garbage or down at somebody else's store and gotten rid of them, just dumped them off.